And guys, be playing Minecraft. So let's do this. I know you can't see it from playing. So we're gonna do a multiplayer. And we're gonna crappy ever. You know, I can even make one. This lag so nice. I'm gonna kill myself to where I am. Rule number one, that's the only way you can get survival with knowing where you are in Minecraft. Killing yourself. But yeah, why don't we do some stuff? Like walk around. It should be this. Ow, this must really hurt. What? Don't you know where I am? Where the fuck am I? I don't even know what the server this is. I don't think I ever played this. Oh yeah, I play this. Look, you on the server? Yeah, I can car. You can do TP, so this sucks. Looks like a beefy a while. No, I think that's it for this video. It's not wrong. I know that. I'll make different ones, I promise. Just wonder if any of you know Yamarox is really friends or whatever, tell him that I'm gonna be working harder to beat him so I can be higher on the YouTube list. Be like number 5. He's not even number 5. I'm gonna be higher than him. I mean high. Like as high as a 500-story house. I wanna be that high. I wanna be the best YouTuber ever. So tell him that I wanna beat him. So yeah. What's next? Bullshit. Bam!